How much time do I have before my competitors are using drones? This is a question that we get quite often, and I want to make a dedicated little video just to talk about that, because it is obviously something that people really do care about, and that is ultimately what the biggest issue is when a roofing company decides whether or not to start implementing them, right? And I'll put it to you this way. Okay. Y'all already heard about our partnership with McRoof here out of Oklahoma City. We're going to be doing inspections for all of their Roof RX program and things like that. This company absolutely understands the value of drones and understands that this is the way of the future, because we can provide such incredible detail for their homeowners, their clients, and really supplement additional to what they're currently doing. Okay. However, I will make this very clear. McRoof is the largest partner that we have that is publicly announced. This is the one that they're fully on board. Scott announced it on his radio show. He is very proud of what we're doing, but there are other roofing companies that we are talking to, especially in the Oklahoma City area, where we are building out drone programs. Okay. One of them specifically in the top of my mind, I have had several conversations with them, and I was able to talk to the owner last week, and his exact words were, I want to build the baddest drone program in the state of Oklahoma. I said, sure, we can do that, right? What I'm trying to say here is that if you are not using drones and you don't understand the capacity, and you want to basically wait and see what everybody else does, etc., there's an arms race happening, especially in Oklahoma City. And we have about 45 days until storm season hits. You are going to see a drastic increase from what you saw last year. Okay. This is happening. There's no question about it. And these drone programs are not just your standard residential side. Okay. Yes, we are doing the Falcon Care. We are documenting for those homeowners. However, there has been a very, very specific need and inquiry on the commercial side. And right now we are building out a very powerful thermal program that is able to do 3D modeling. And we're also able to do a ton when it comes to the thermal imaging and detecting of moisture and things like that. This is happening. And this specific company, which I guarantee you, everyone who is watching this right now will recognize their name at a bare minimum. Okay. They are wanting to do everything. Okay. They also are very curious on the solar side. They want to see what we can do to essentially do the solar irradiance models and also generate the plan sets and get everything done of that capacity. So like, guys, I can't stress enough. If you're a roofer, especially in Oklahoma City, and you think that you have time before your competitors are using drones, I will make this extremely clear. You don't have time. Okay. This is happening. You have a state-of-the-art drone program at the top institute, Francis Tuttle, right down the road from you. They got 4 campuses here. We are building out some incredible drone programs across the state of Oklahoma and also outside of Oklahoma, but mostly Oklahoma City area. Okay. So yeah, guys, I really think it's important for people to fully recognize that this is happening and there's no question. There's no way of avoiding it. We saw this in the surveying industry, and this is the reason why we left the surveying side and went to roofing, because when we went to a surveying company with our drones, they already had their own internal drone program, right? This was something that was very common for us. So we would go out there and we're like, hey, we're doing aerial LiDAR. It's a $60,000 system, and we're going to go out there and produce all this extra stuff for you and things like that. And the surveyor was like, oh yeah, we already have a program like this. Come check it out, etc. But then what happened is you had 2 different types of surveyors. You had the surveyors who had the capacity to do the large acreage, etc., using the LiDAR. And then you had the other surveyors who had to really focus on just doing their individual developments or their individual plots, right? So I think something very similar is going to happen in the roofing industry. If you want to be competitive, especially in the commercial sphere, you're going to have a drone program. This is not a question. You will have to, because you cannot compete with the level of the 3D models, the thermal imaging, all this other stuff that we are providing. If you're wanting to do solar and things like that, we can also help build out that program. We just announced a partnership with CG Drones, who has 10 years in the solar industry. We're using some phenomenal software with that. We also are partnering with DataBird Solutions out of Virginia. They're doing our data processing for the 3D modeling and thermal imaging and things like that. We also just signed a partnership with DroneScan Pro. They're basically having a pilot network that is able to essentially converge on locations and help roofing companies when they do need it, right? So we're doing some big things there. We have some other stuff as well when it comes to more things that are announced very soon. But just know, guys, like it's happening, right? If you're really in that mindset to where drones are unable to like have the quality for your roof inspections, think of it this way, okay? We came from the surveying side. Surveying is known for accuracy and precision, right? We've done work for architects, engineers, telecommunications as far as the 3D modeling and mapping of their actual telecom towers. We also do a lot of work with precision agriculture and so many other fields, oil and gas, critical infrastructure. Like, it is absurd for you to simply come to me and tell me that this technology is not sufficient for your operations. It's hard for me to even understand your thought process. And the only thing I can really think of here is that, yes, your drones, your experiences may have sucked because you're using subpar equipment, right? Well, we're not, okay? The best equipment in the world is going to be used very, very, very heavily in Oklahoma City. So it's an arms race. You may not recognize it, but it's here, and jump on board or get left behind. It's really up to you. You got 45 days before storm season hits. Let's have a conversation. So are your competitors using drones? There it is. All right. See you guys.